I already soaked the dry chilies in the hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's warm. I'm just adding in. I'm going to blend it along with some garlic. We need tofu, which I cut into small cubes like this. We also need some onions, curry leaves, salt, and the paste that I showed you is also ready. This is optional. Mustard seeds and urad dal is optional. We are going to deep fry the tofu. For that, I've already added oil. It's warm. I'm going to add them and deep fry them. Need to saute the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. I've just added salt also. After 3 minutes, as you can see, the onions are slightly soft. At this stage, adding the paste that we have made before. Squeezing in some lime juice.